Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting inside Google Photos. Sign in and confirm sync is active so deletions propagate. Once you're signed in, tap the search bar at the top to reveal recent queries and suggestions. Don't wander to settings yet. This first step isolates the items to remove. Make sure you're on the correct account. If not, switch accounts now. This prevents deleting another profile's history. Next, we'll clear entries and manage activity controls to stop future suggestions. Now remove individual suggestions or batches. Tap Search, long press any suggestion or recent term and choose Remove. That immediately clears it from the visible list. Once done, go to Settings, choose Manage your Google account, then Data and Privacy and open Web and App Activity to delete ranges or specific photo searches. This removes history stored with your Google account. Make sure to choose the appropriate date range. Deleting all time clears everything. Finish by confirming the changes across devices. Give Google a few minutes to sync, then reopen Photos to verify suggestions are gone. If items still appear, clear the Photos app cache or sign out and sign back in to force a refresh. Once resolved, consider pausing web and app activity or turning off Photos suggestions in account settings to avoid rebuilding history. If you still see old results, check other linked accounts or device-level assistant settings as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.